Hey guys, LT here from the world famous brand of Harley Davidson. Today I'm here to prove to you that not all trikes have to be big and expensive. Right here we have the 2019 Street 500 trike conversion. As you can see, this is a 2019 Street 500. The motorcycle is a V-twin, has twin cooling. For the trike kit we got from Yelvington, based out of Largo. They use high quality steel and aluminum in their production. This allows you to also maintain the pulley. As you can see, there's an oil-filled differential, unlike the cheaper, lesser versions that use bearing grease. Again, this is LT at the world famous brand of Harley Davidson, coming to you with our exclusive 2019 Street 500 trike conversion. Give me a call, 813-740-9898.